Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration. I am collaborating with Ashley from Ohcrowgal, and in this collaboration, we're going to be talking about our favorite keto snacks. So my favorite keto snacks are going to be from the pantry, and hers is going to be from the fridge slash freezer. So in the description below, I've linked Ashley's channel. If you're not already subscribed to her, please do so. Her content is very similar to mine, and I think you guys were really gonna love her. So if you like this video, click like, click the subscribe button, click the bell for notifications when I upload. And I make videos Monday through Friday. Sometimes I'll do one randomly on the weekend, but yeah. So without further ado, let's get into the content.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Right now I am going through my snack cabinet. Please don't mind, that's not mine. Anyways, I share a snack cabinet with the kids, and I have stuff everywhere. I mean, it was hard to find things. Things are thrown all over the place, so I'm gonna just kind of go through my snacks. And I bought this little thing from Dollar Tree. Like, actually got 4 of them. So I got some in my fridge, and then I have one for the cabinet. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this, and then I'm gonna show you guys what kind of snacks I got. All right, guys, so I've kind of got it organized and broken down. This looks nice. I like this. So I'm just gonna kind of show you like the kind of things that I have in my snack cabinet. Cabinet, by the way. I mean, there's other things that I have in my refrigerator, obviously, that I use for snacks, but these are just things that you can easily bring with you on the go and have elsewhere. I mean, these aren't, but they go up there. Okay, so sunflower kernels, roasted, salted. These are from Aldi. These are 4 net carbs for half a cup. Or not half, I'm sorry. These are 4 net carbs for a 4th cup. So what I did is I measured them out and put them into these little snack containers. Now you can use Ziploc baggies if you want, but I try not to use so many Ziploc baggies. This is easy. You can just take this, throw it in your purse, put it in your lunch. You have an already measured out amount instead of sitting down with this bag and just eating handfuls and handfuls. You have pre-measured out amounts. And I think these ones are the pumpkin seeds, because I had, yeah, these here, and you can see how much. I mean, this is the sunflower seeds. This is the pumpkin seeds. Obviously, pumpkin seeds are a little bit bigger. So I actually only have 1 of the sunflower seeds and then 4 of the pumpkin seeds. I have these pecan halves, which are the same, about a 4th cup, and these are only 1 net carb per serving. I made my candy pecans with these, and I've yet to, I have more of these, and I should measure these out, but I've not been snacking on them because I want to make the candied ones again with them. Next, I have this True Lemon, which I wouldn't consider this a snack, but I love putting this in my waters. I've not used it in any teas or recipes yet, but I absolutely love this stuff. Thank you so much, Ella Loves Bacon, for turning me onto this, because this is phenomenal. And I brought like half of this box to work. I passed it out to coworkers. 50 come in a packet. I got this at Walmart. This here was such a better deal. I've seen smaller packets with like 25 of them for like $1 at Dollar Tree and things like that. But this for 50 was only like $1.75 or something like that at Walmart. And this is just so much better option. I really enjoy this. I really like these. I did not purchase these. I got these in my keto crate. They are good. I mean, I just haven't like really broke into them yet. I did try them. Next, this should be in my refrigerator because I did already open it last night and take a bite. So I'll probably eat this today. I'm just going to leave it out. But yeah, like things like this that you can keep on hand that are good for you and healthy, like this grass-fed beef. This is only a few, like, what is this? Carbs. 1 carb for this bar. And this is easy. Have it in your purse for when you're, because, I mean, if it's not open already, like mine is open, obviously. That's why it's in the bag. But if yours isn't open, you can have this in your purse. Have it in your snack area. You can easily grab it out of your pantry and take it. And it's a really good, healthy option. Same thing goes for this. This, like jerky. It's really soft and tender, even though it says it's not jerky. It's really soft, really tender, easy. This whole package is 1 serving. And it's 0 carbs. You can easily grab this, take it with you, going to the park, going to the movies, wherever you're going, shopping, whatever. Wherever you think that you might have some sort of craving, having something like this or any of these options with you is going to help you out immensely. I really like these. They're kind of pricey, but if you're wanting some different types of flavors on your almonds, these are really good. I also had the pink Himalayan salt ones before, so give these a try though. These are pretty good. I like those. The Wisps, these are really good too. They are also pricey. You can make your own. These are very crunchy. If you're looking for that crunch factor, they're delicious. This entire package is 2 servings. I do not use it that way. I use like a few at a time, and they've lasted me a while. They stay crispy. I put them in my chili. I put them in soups. I eat them on the side with like a sandwich, wrap, anything. But these, they've lasted me a while, and it's 2 carbs per serving. These things are delicious. Mom, yeah?
Your cactus is drying out. You need to like put it in your sun.
Okay. These I just love. Sweet Drops of Stevia. I mean, you can carry these around with you if you want like a little drop of stevia. I put these in my coffee in the morning. They're really good. Caramel flavor and original. These are some more flavored almonds. These came in the keto crate as well. So did those two. These are actually, I gave some of these to my kids and I'm like, what does this taste like? And they were like, this tastes like chicken wings. It really does. It tastes like chicken wings. Another great, like it's already pre-packaged out. This entire container was like 3 carbs and it's already packaged out. You can have it readily available and you just grab it and you go. What can be better? Now we're getting to this stuff. So I have this in order of what's easy, healthier for me to grab. These I bought weeks and weeks ago, and I've not tried them. I don't know what I'll do, because I mean the ingredients to me, they're not terrible carb wise, but I don't know. It's I think they got maltodextrin in them. Let me see. They're not horrible. It has some maltol in it. I mean, it completely depends on you if you're staying away from stuff like that. I've not tried it yet. It's low on the GI. I mean, I will try it. I just haven't tried it yet. So I have that one. And then I have the white chocolate one. So I have those in the back. A friend started keto recently. And she didn't like these. These are 3 carbs a piece. So I took these. Not tried them yet. These are all my Quest bars. Oh my god, the Quest Hero bar. This is the best thing on earth. And all my different flavors of Quest bars that I just like to keep on hand. Lily's chocolate, of course, have to have it. I've had this forever. I don't eat the serving sizes, you guys. You don't have, just because it says you have to eat the serving size. No, you don't. You break off a little square. Eat a little square here and there to get rid of that sugar craving, that chocolate craving that you're wanting. Just break off a little piece and eat that. So I have an almond one, and then I have the creamy milk chocolate one, and then this is the toasted coconut chia. This is really good. I got this in the keto crate, so that's delicious. I have 3 different of those to go for. And then these came in the keto crate too. So I tried them. Obviously, I put them in a baggie so they won't go bad immediately. But I will be eating these ones fairly soon so they don't go bad. But I just wanted to put these with the bars to show you guys. These are both really delicious. This tastes like a peanut butter cracker. Like, you know, when you're a kid and you buy those little peanut butter cracker stacks. This tastes like that. It's really good. And then this has a lot of flavor. And these are both really low on carbs. Like, very low on carbs. And very good. So there's that. There's my Starbucks. And then this also came in the keto crate. This is really crunchy. This would be good as just a snack, on a salad, on anything. Comes in a nice little bag. Again, you can bring this with you. Only 2 carbs for this entire package, I think. Or is it 2? 2 for this entire... No, well, 4 altogether. But this is really good. This is a good option to grab and go. Hemp hearts, it kind of spilled, so... I'm not sure really what I would do with this. This is another great option though. You can just snack on them. You can put them on a salad. You can mix them into things. Yeah, it spilled, so I'm glad that I put it into this little baggie to keep it all. But yeah. And then this little cereal I've yet to use. I just got this also in my keto crate. But again, I mean, you don't have to use this with milk to have it as a cereal. It's a great snacking option. It's literally the entire bag for 0 net carbs. It really is fruity. It does taste like cereal. It is really good. I think this is a really good option to bring along with you as well. So yeah, guys, that is my snack cabinet. I try not to snack too much. These I do not, and I repeat, I do not use these as a snack. These are, I use these as a meal replacement. Usually it is for breakfast if I'm really hungry in the morning, or for lunch. I do use this as a snack if I really am in a snacky mood. And like my boyfriend over the weekend, last weekend, when he had gotten a Snickers, and anytime he's like snacking on candy, this to me is snack where this satisfies that for me. So that is what I use in that case. But as far as everything else, this is what I might pack in a lunch with me, what I might bring with me if I'm going somewhere that I know that are no healthy options. These are all really good healthy options. So leave me a comment down below if you have something that you like to bring with you that you don't see here. Give me some ideas, because who doesn't need ideas? We all love ideas. Ideas are great. We all love them. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I need to clean this. But that's all I got for you guys today. So leave me a comment down below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can get updates from me. I do videos every Monday through Friday, and sometimes I'll surprise you with a weekend video. So, yep, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Make good decisions.